Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I have need download driver Lexmark. This here for serial. You type here the driver download. Okay. And this here for this why I'm search the official website for you. I would like to download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website, and this here for not the ads for the official website. Okay. And this here for official website for the Windows. Click here. Okay, this here for official website. And this one. And search the driver. Wow, this here for not the driver. Click here. And this here for the driver. Driver and download for the model print. Okay, this here for detect automatic your USB cable your operating system, and my operating system for the Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Windows 11 or the Linux or the Macintosh, and this here for detect automatic your operating system. And this here for the driver recommended. Driver recommended support your printer and scanner. If you need download, click here for download a driver package. And this here for driver package for the operating system or operating system for the Windows, and this here for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. This here for Windows Server support. This here for the new version for Windows 11. Okay, if you need download, you click here for button start download, and this here for your driver. This is for your driver download. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer, input cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you will click file. You click file. You click finish. It's here for the automatic USB cable. If you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time the video. And this here for driver free